The toilet paper race mass moment. Inertia Interactive Calculator determines the motion characteristics of a hollow cylinder rolling down an incline. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu labeled Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate linear and angular accelerations. Calculate final velocity and time. Calculate radius of gyration. Compare solid versus hollow cylinder models. Calculate race time from parameters. And calculate required angle for target time. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Linear and Angular Accelerations. Next, we enter outer radius ρ in meters, inner radius Ri in meters, mass in kilograms, and incline angle θ in degrees. For our example, I'll input outer radius Ro equals 0.062 meters. Inner radius Ri equals 0.024 meters, mass equals 0.142 kilograms, and incline angle θ equals 15.7 degrees. After clicking Calculate, we get these results. Linear acceleration is 1.6855 meters per second squared. Angular acceleration is 27.186 radians per second squared. Moment of inertia is 3.1382 times 10 to the negative 4th kilogram meters squared. And radius of gyration is 0.04701 meters. These values describe how quickly the cylinder accelerates down the ramp. Find the link in the description below.